Okay, here's an afternoon update for you. This update effective around 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, August 17th. We're looking for an area of low pressure. We think we've got it dialed in now. If you look back over here towards the Panhandle Big Bend area, you can see that the flow is wanting to shift to more of a west-southwest flow. And as we get up in here towards the South Carolina border, we're starting to get a little wraparound. And the winds on the Grays Reef buoy just switched real light out of the north-northwest, so we're going to be watching this as this moves up the coast. However, based on its current position where it looks like it's going to parallel the coast but stay inland and will not have a chance to deepen off the coast, increasing a stronger east-southeast gradient coming in. We've got east-southeast flow coming in off the Atlantic on the Frying Pan Shoal buoy and on the South Hatteras buoy. So we're going to be looking for the winds to start to tighten up on that and maybe rotate in more out of an east-southeast direction. Switching you over to the infrared satellite imagery and showing you what is heading your way, or possibly heading your way. It's heading for someone, but we're getting some very deepening of low pressure in here off the Gulf of Mexico, and convection is really firing up now, moving off towards the north-northeast. Just like we talked about with this low being a little bit too far inland, it appears that the plume of tropical moisture now is set up a little bit further west than originally anticipated in this morning's update. So most of the severe weather you guys were anticipating so far has held off. Just got a couple of reports from Jeff Carver up in Kitty Hawk, and calling it waist to chest high. Really fun surf. Surfed a couple 2-3 hours, and our very own Teddy Allen was in Rodanthe this morning, calling it waist to rib high and looking really fun. Have yet to hear back from him yet, waiting on him to check back in. But guys, there is potential anytime we get a pattern like this for some fun surf to show up unexpectedly. So that's our update for right now. Stay tuned for the next one coming up soon.